In the end, it looks as though they both lost the focal points, so it didn't really work out like I thought it would. It's brighter. You can tell just by looking at the light, like the right one used to be a lot better, and it's just not as bright as it once was. And this one, this was the worst one, and it's still just not that great. So torturing, or not really torturing, but cutting the insides out and fitting some 4x6 headlights in the LED Amazon special, $40. I already have an idea. I'm still gonna put the lens over the LEDs. You're gonna see the spots of the LEDs, but it's still gonna have the lens here, so you know, during the daytime it'll look normal. But I don't know. I don't think I can drive like that. Let me try the brights. See if the brights see the difference. And you can still tell the left side still has a little bit more of that center focus than the right side does. The right side's just a big ball of light. So I think I'll be doing that after all.